This case study was developed in an attempt to shed more light on the debate of standardized testing. The goal of the study was to find evidence to support whether or not standardized testing is worth doing in public elementary schools in Brownsville, Texas. To investigate this question, the perspectives of teachers were analyzed and ethnographic notes were considered as part of qualitative research. Teachers have found that their teaching and student learning has interfered with the testing. A common misconception is that standardized testing is only for students. What people do not see is how crucial standardized testing has become to teachers as well. In fact, standardized testing is so important that many teachers have fallen into all the pressures that come along with it. Teachers are being pressured from their administrators because if scores are too low, then the school can lose its accreditation. Standardized testing has taken over the real learning that should be taking place in the classrooms. It has taken a toll on the teachers who were genuinely interested in reaching out to the youth and helping them grow. Educators are becoming displeased with the field. They are now second-guessing their choice of career due to the pressure that will be upon them to produce high test scores that matter the most to their potential employers. The issue of testing is causing major problems in the United States and is visible in Brownsville, Texas, because of the fact that it is affecting both teachers and students. Students are not becoming lifelong learners, and teachers are stressed with so much accountability. Peter Henry states that we are doing a dreadfully dumb thing in embracing wholeheartedly the standardized testing agenda. It leads to schools and teachers being held accountable for outside factors beyond their control in which may hinder their performance. Based on teachers' perspectives, the research question that is to be investigated is whether or not standardized testing is worth doing in the Brownsville Independent School District. In order to help understand this investigation, qualitative sampling was used to select a small amount of individuals for the study. The unit of analysis used was the classroom teachers that were interviewed to understand their perspectives and gain an insight of what standardized testing is doing to classrooms in the Brownsville Independent School District. Ethnographic research was conducted in the name of seeking understanding about the case under investigation. In order to triangulate all the data, the use of multiple data sources was also implemented. This data collection was gathered through the use of triangulation by the use of multiple data sources to address a research question. Interviews were conducted, observations were done, and an extensive amount of ethnographic notes were taken. These were actual classroom teachers from the Brownsville Independent School District, and they were asked to be frank from the outset of each session. Examination of previous research findings were assessed so the degree to which this project's results were congruent with those of past studies. As a result, teachers' health have been affected. There is a negative impact in the learning environment, and teachers are ready to leave their classroom.